just been replacing the oil sender in my 911 1984 Targa, and I'll show you an example of how it looks when the wire connecting the terminal on the oil sender
I think what I'm trying to say here is the signal wire.
See, it shoots right up to the top, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's connected. This is what it looks like when it's connected. And yes, by the looks of it, I do need oil. I've checked the dipstick and it's low on that.
The car was jacked up, that was the
wait
problem.
for the engine to warm up, blah blah blah. There might be more oil in it. I'll have to double check once I've taken it for a drive. But yeah, catch-22 probably doesn't risk it without oil. But I don't want to overfill it either.
Having taken it for a little drive, it's warmed up, and yeah, it's starting to read normally.